I told you in an earlier video that I'm going to quit my 9 to 5, and I am going to do it. That is going to be my New Year's resolution. At the end of 2023, I'm going to quit working a regular 9 to 5 job and start working for myself. I'm trying to jump on the bandwagon of passive income and make my own money, and I should have been doing this a long time ago, and I'm sorry that I didn't, but I'm doing it right now, and you should too. So if you feel the same way, follow, subscribe, like, share, because I am going to do it, and you can follow along, see if I actually do it or not. Let's see, because I've got a handful of projects. Some of them are finished and some of them are not. My ADHD brain has me all over the place. If I don't hyperfixate on something and get it done right then and there, then I lose momentum, and I'm tired of doing that. So this is going to be the time where I buckle down, get it done, and that way I don't have to work a 9 to 5. I don't have to call in when I have one of my mood swings, or I don't have to worry about if I'm gonna get fired because I called in. And I need to stop working for somebody else. I need to create passive income for me. And now is the time to do it, because everybody's going online. Everybody's going to VR. People are making money on VR. I need to get a VR headset right now and start making money on a VR. If you haven't done that, you should do that too. So maybe that'll be in a later video when I get a VR. Hint, hint, if my family is watching this, get me a VR headset. But yes, my New Year's resolution, passive income is gonna start flowing in. I already started my YouTube channel. That's probably where you're watching this on. If you're watching me on TikTok, if you're not following me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok and Instagram and just YouTube for right now. But I am going to make some money, and I'm going to do a New Year's resolution, passive income, at least $3,000 a month by the end of 2023. I'm going to be making from this passive income. I've got to set a goal so I can pass that, because I always go above and beyond, but I got to at least let a goal, and that's what I want to make each month, so that way I can quit the 9 to 5, so $3,000 a month by the end of 2023. Y'all are gonna hold me to this. This is why I'm making this video, so you guys can hold me to what I'm putting out there, because there ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? So y'all are my witnesses. Let's do it. And I also make a shout out, need to make a shout out to my homie. She was so adorable, and she totally made her for me. I love it. I love this photo. This is probably gonna be one of my logo photos. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really love her. She's beautiful. And I reached out to her and I was like, hey, I'm making a YouTube channel and I want something that kind of represents me. And so she made that for me. I absolutely love it. And I did compensate her for it because she was just so beautiful. I had to. I love it so much. So I will post her information down below if you want to reach out to her. And let me know if you would like some merch. I would totally set up some merch, some buttons and stickers, but let me know down below.